How to post anonymously on a Facebook group. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the groups option you see there. Here you will be able to view all your groups, and if not, then you can also tap on the your groups option on top of your screen and then search for the group that you are looking forward to make an anonymous post. Once you have opened the group, you will see the option for an anonymous post option there. You can simply tap on that particular option, or you can also tap on the write something text box you see there and then go ahead and make the post and write the everything that you want to make a post as. Once you are done making the post, tap on your name drop down on top of your screen and you will see the option for post as an anonymous member. So go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for post as an anonymous member, and with this the post will be made as an anonymous member. So this is how you can post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.